Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're back at Circle B. We're gonna try to explore some trails that we didn't really get to see last time. Hopefully the trails won't be as flooded today as they were, but we're headed to Wading Bird Way and we'll try to see the rest of Marsh Rabbit Run. So let's get going. All right, so we're headed down Marsh Rabbit Run. The water level looks a little lower today and the trail hasn't been flooded so far. We actually saw a marsh rabbit. I really hope the footage came out good, but definitely excited to get down to Wading Bird Way. I'm excited to film that area. So right now we're pretty far down Marsh Rabbit Run, and when you get down here there's a bird blind where you can set up. It's got wood and like some little holes that you can put cameras through, and it's a pretty fun place to look. There's usually gators here, and right now we see some gray blue herons. They look like they're like juvenile gray blue herons at a nest. A little too far away to film, but it's still a really cool place. So we've made it down to Wading Bird Way, which is really cool, and the trail wasn't flooded or anything. We saw some baby gallinules. Hopefully the footage came out cool for those. And yeah, now we're probably gonna set up a time lapse and hang out for a little bit and just see what's down here. All right, so that's gonna do it for today's video out here at Circle B. We had a great time. It's a very hot this time of year, but there were plenty of birds out, plenty of alligators and wildlife. The water level looks a little bit lower, so the trails were accessible. And yeah, if you're interested in more camera and outdoor videos, consider subscribing. Thanks.